So, you've come to my page, my YouTube channel. You don't know how you got here, or maybe someone sent you. But here is a comfort zone. I'm here to help you figure out how to get on track and stay there. My life has been pretty wild. Ups and downs, back and forths. Still figuring out, but now I have a good handle on it. I'm a hockey coach, a dad of two, and a husband with my wife. We've been together for over 20 years. Come, join me.